it's Ashley, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a natural lip gradient using lipsticks. So first you're going to need lip scrub, a nude lipstick, and then a red lipstick. So if you have crusty lips like me, make sure you exfoliate them first. It's best if you use a moisturizing lip scrub. Then just gently scrub your lips. After washing off the lip scrub, you're now ready to apply the nude lipstick. And I'll link all the products down below. So you're just going to apply a single layer of this just to create a nice base. I personally really like this shade because I feel like it's a very natural nude for my lip color since I have pretty tinted lips already. This is just a MLBB type of color for me. You're going to take your red lipstick, and the one I'm using right now is in a very true red shade, so I recommend a true red shade if you have one. And you're just going to use it on the inner part of your lips, so use dabbing motions to apply it so that it doesn't cake up. And depending on how red you want your lips to look, you can apply less or you can apply more. Then blend it out with your fingers. And that's the completed look. I know this is a very simple tutorial, but I just wanted to show you guys how I usually do my natural lip gradients. And for those of you who don't like using lip tints, this is a great way to achieve that look. So thank you guys for watching.